I'm going to show you how to draw any door in AutoCAD by drawing door plans with the elevations, starting with the first one. I always start with a reference line of my door, 900. Then from here, let me make a copy of this to the side. I use the arc command to show the door swing. I do it like this. I come to arc and come down here to start, center, end. I want it to center here, to start here, and to come like this, 90 degrees. I will just click. Then to make the door itself, I use the rectangle command. Click on this endpoint. The only thing I'm worried about is the thickness of the door. Mostly it is 50. I will tap that. Press the tab key, not the enter key. And for the height, I simply come up here and just click. I no longer need this guide. I can delete it. And just like that, I'm able to get this door. Next is if you want the door with frame. To make the frame, I use the rectangle command. Make a frame of 50. Press the tab key, 50. Enter. Then I move it to the side, to this endpoint. I further select this, set copy. With this end, I copy it to this end, because when I select it, I know my door will be exactly 900, so I can delete this line. Once I get this, it is as good as I am done. Come to the arc again, center, start, end, center, start, so back. Once I come to 90 degrees, I will just click rectangle, click on this endpoint, starting with the width 50. Press the tab key. For height, I simply click here. Now I will copy this two down because I promised to show you how to make any kind of door. This is with frame. If you want to show the wall, all you need to do is just use line and draw a line to represent your wall. Maybe you want a line of 230. That's it. Select it and copy it to the side. For the frame, sometimes you might see some people using this. I will select this and select copy one here and one here. Then I will use the trim command and trim this. Sometimes you will see people using this. If you want, you can do that as well. If you want it here, you can select this, select mirror it like this, select no. You can delete this and then move this one touch here. Now we are able to make photos. Now let's make the elevation. To make the elevation, I use the rectangle command. The width is 900. Then I'll press the tab key. For the height is 2100. Then to make the door frame, I use the offset command. Then select this true option or simply right click. You can click it here. True. Click it, point inside and type 75. Click one inside and type 25, and just like this, I'm done with the door. To show a handle, you can use the cycle command. Just click on the cycle, come here, track up and just type 1000 so that we can start the cycle 1000, and just type 40 and press enter. Select the cycle, use move and move it in a little to show your door handle. Next is if you want the door to be a little style, you can then use the rectangle again, 900, press the tab key, 2100. Then use the offset command, select the true, click and point inside and type 75. Click point inside like this, click and point inside to make your door like this. You can then double click this, come to width, type any width you want. I will try 50. It will look too big like this. Maybe 15. It will look like this. For the door handle, I can decide to copy this. I will select it, select copy, click here and then drop it right here. I will zoom to it. I can further move it, make a rectangle outside of 150, press the tab key by 30, something like this. Then I will select it and move it from this midpoint to the middle of the cycle. Then I will use trim and trim this portion. Now this represents the handle, and just like that we got our doors, but they are separate objects like this. If you want to make them into a single object, use them across all your drawings. Watch this video how I explain how to make blocks in AutoCAD. Thanks for watching.